Today's topic is security labels, attractive eye catchers in perfect alignment with brand design. We have a unique one-stop shop concept for security labels, customized tamper evidence and IoT applications. So we basically provide tamper evident labels. That's where we come from. And we also have developed our own proprietary coding solution, SECURIKETT, providing unique codes for IoT, track and trace, and consumer engagement. On the other hand, we are also a certified security printer and we supply globally. So we are certified against ISO 14298, graphic technology management of security printing process. And our cutting edge void technologies are in demand worldwide. So we deliver to more than 45 countries around the globe, and about 50% of our products are for the Asian market. Security labels support you to tackle various challenges. So a first topic here is a proof of authenticity. Why is it needed for? Because of counterfeits. So another topic is integrity of packaging or unauthorized refillings. Another topic is supply chain transparency. On the other hand, we also have the topic of online commerce and of illicit trade. And the last topic, very important and of ever increasing importance, is regulatory requirements. So what's really essential in today's global environment is identifying original products and also to regain visibility about your supply chain. We'll move to basic principles of security labels. What is essential, or what do you have to consider when designing a security label? First of all, most important is a reliable and unambiguous authentication. Easy to understand for the end consumer, because this builds trust and loyalty with your end consumers. You also have to have a look at that you're using a unique and sophisticated design. Another key element is tamper evidence. Without tamper evidence, there is no reliable and unambiguous authentication. It must be hard to copy. Also, it's very essential that the techniques you're using are not freely available to anyone. And the last topic I want to mention is the layered construction. So all in all, a SECURIKETT label is always a multifunctional security device. We have on the one hand physical authentication features that we use. These are classified according to the level at which they operate. So first we have overt security features. Overt authentication features are recognizable and verifiable with the naked eye, making reliable authentication possible for the largest possible number of people, including end customers. The next category are covered security features. So covered security features, as their name suggests, are not recognizable at first sight. To verify them, you have to know exactly what you're looking for. In some cases, they cannot be checked without the use of artificial aids, such as magnifiers. Classic examples include microtext, hidden information, and fluorescent ink, as you can see on the pictures provided here. The other pillar of authentication is digital product security. Digital product security provides identification for individual products by unique codes. So in our case, we have our SECURIKETT system, which provides code generation based on algorithm and routing all the information in these verification processes. We have serialization for all available technologies. So you can have the codes as 2D codes, as QR codes, as printed on NFC or RFID chips. And they communicate with our cloud-based system, providing a proof of authenticity and additional individual content for each user group. So this means the end consumer, but also any other kind of user group, inspectors or something like that, or participants in the supply chain can scan the code, gain information, but also add information. in case it's really a dedicated user group. So this provides real-time control for product tracking for brand owners. And as all these scan activities provide data, which is recorded in the system, it's possible to have data analytics and out of this data, out of this analysis, to derive related measures according to the issues that you might be discovering in this analysis. We have various kinds of security features. We use overt security technology. We might use security inks, taggants, coding, void technology, or kiss cuts. And design a multifunctional security device providing tamper evidence, authentication, and identification all in one. Most important is that all our products are developed in customized way. So we have individual labels for each customer. Usually don't have labels which we sell out of stock, but if you come to us and ask for a security label, we will get in touch with you, talk together, see what fits best, and develop your individual label according to your specific needs. So security label design needs to consider multiple aspects. You have to be aware of the challenges you are facing. So this is the first step. You have to know you might be confronted with different issues or different challenges, or maybe only with one of them, or one that you want to overcome. Most others might be not so important. So you really must be aware of what you want to tackle with the security label. Then, based on this, you have to select the right combination of features. Another issue is that you, according to the package or to your product, you have to choose the most suitable material. You have to, or you should integrate the label design smoothly into the existing packaging design. So, I mean, this means the security label can have various shapes, various materials, various designs. It also, according to the needs of your end consumers, you can integrate various features which make it more easy for them to open them or to understand them. You can also integrate, if you integrate codes, you can integrate or add features or signs or symbols which animate them to scan the code. And you should align the label design with your brand design or corporate identity in order that it's not that security label is not conceived as foreign matter compromising the brand design. So when designing a security label, the outcome should be an easy, secure, and unique proof of authenticity, while at the same time supporting brand enhancement. Tamper evidence, as mentioned before, is the fundamental basis of all security features. So you have a product with a security label, but any authentication technology is useless without tamper evidence. Why? Because a code or also another security feature can quite easily be transferred to a counterfeit product, and then the verification system serves no purpose at all. And with our innovative proprietary void technology, SECURIKETT is a leader in the field of tamper evidence. So as you can see on the second picture, we have opened the label, and then you get an irreversible change or a leave behind. You have in the lower part, you have the peel-off layer. In the upper part, there is the leave behind. So it clearly says open, but it can also include any other wording or any other symbol. And the code remains on the packaging. SECURIKETT is leading in void technologies. Why? Because we provide customized void design. Logos and individual letterings can easily be integrated into the void effect. Another important thing is that the white design is matched to the label format, so we don't have any wallpaper design in our void effect, but it's always in register. And also holograms may be included into the void effect. We have different proprietary void technologies. We have transparent or translucent voids. We have void including microtext. We have 3-ink layer adhesive void providing more contrast. We have wash void indicating tampering with water. And we have the Vienna void, that's a specific void technology for highly secured codes. As for code integration, the void technology also provides different options. So here we have 3 labels with QR codes. And as you will see, these labels are integrated in different ways into the labels. The first option is that the code remains intact on the substrate when the label is peeled off. So in the upper part, you see the label applied. In the lower part, the label has been peeled off. You see that the QR code remains on the substrate. And the peel-off layer is clear where the QR code has been. In the second case, the code is getting removed with the peel-off layer. And in the third case, the code is getting destroyed, but it remains on the substrate. So according to your challenges or what you want to do also with the code, you can leave the code remaining intact on the substrate, just as I mentioned before, that it is possible to identify or to scan it even after the pack has been opened, or it can be removed with a peel-off layer, or if it should not be scanned or used after the pack has been opened, then it can also be destroyed completely. Also, overt security features can easily be employed as decorative elements. So we have holograms, we have gouache print, we have decorative foils with holographic effects. So all of these also help the label design support brand enhancement. The last topic which I want to touch upon is connected labels. Connected labels means the integration of NFC and UHF RFID into the label. We do this in-house, convert chips into the labels and also program the chips, with RFID being for logistic application because it enables bulk reading, and NFC being for consumer engagement because it facilitates the process of scanning, because you only have to swipe with your mobile phone or with your smartphone over the chip, and you can scan it without even needing a scanner app. For NFC, there's also a tamper loop available. And with the tamper loop verification with NFC and QR, is it possible that the QR code knows that the NFC tamper loop is broken? Yes, it is. You may visit our booth and watch the movie. You are highly welcome. How does it work? You scan the QR code or you use the NFC if you want to check whether the bottle has already been opened. Tap the NFC. As long as the bottle is closed, it shows the bottle is closed. Then you open the bottle. Now it's very important that you again tap the NFC. It shows that the bottle has been opened, and it will also inform the QR code that the bottle has been opened. Important is that the QR code and the chip both contain the same code information. So it's only one code that is used for both ways of scanning. Moreover, we have also developed an all-in-one label combining QR codes, NFC, and UHF RFID. This label enables both simple handling of logistic tasks and user-friendly communication with consumers, all with one label. As mentioned before, one and the same code is available in different options. So you don't need to have different codes. It's only one code. The code is used the code itself has a pointer function. So it's just directing you to the information, which is stored in the cloud. Security labels should be seen as customized multifunctional security devices. They are individually designed according to your specific needs, in perfect alignment with brand design and corporate identity, providing multiple benefits, and thus they are an ideal means to support brand enhancement.